Oh, I really like this question. So, what's wrong with the customer engagement and retention space today? Thinking about it like referral, loyalty, all of it. I think in order to answer that question, you kind of have to go back a bit. Um, I think you can break the problem down into really four key issues. Those four, I think, would be brands are capturing signals but not acting on them. Number two is engagement is treated like disconnected campaigns. I think number three would probably be, ROI is measured too narrowly. And I think four, which is probably one of the most critical ones, and we hear it from prospects all the time, is, most platforms just aren't built for what modern brands need. Let me kind of walk through each of those because I think taking a second on each of them is going to be really important to understand the full depth and breadth of that question. Starting with number one, brands capture signals, but they don't act on them. I think we all know customers are constantly showing intent. They're buying, referring, hesitating, churning, but most companies aren't turning those signals into action. Now, again, it's not their fault. I think the technologies out there are very siloed or one dimensional, and it leaves the brand stuck with the siloed tools for loyalty, referral, email, which then makes everything slower and less intelligent. Number two, which is engagement is treated like campaigns, not systems. So, the way we think about it today is it's still let's launch a referral campaign or run a loyalty push. When in reality, engagement should be continuous, should be personalized, and it should be triggered by behavior. But most teams are still working manually and they're reacting instead of automating. So then that leads into the third step, which is really around how ROI is measured and that it's measured too narrowly. Everyone's chasing this revenue lift, especially in the macroeconomic times. But if you're doing this right, it should also lower your operating costs. You shouldn't have to hire more people just to manage these programs. You should be getting more out of your existing teams because the system is doing the heavy lifting. And that leads me into the fourth step, which is the most critical. And I think the thing that most of the companies who come to Ambassador tell us about is most SaaS platforms were not built for this type of engagement. These SaaS platforms out there today were designed in the campaign era. So even with AI features tacked on, the underlying technology can't deliver the speed or intelligence needed for real-time multi-channel engagement. So I believe that a lot of companies are going to need to go through a transformational shift in how they built their technical architecture. Just to give an example, at Ambassador, that's exactly what we did. We actually went through this cycle. We rebuilt our platform for today's brands that are multidimensional. The multidimensional brand needs to engage across referrals, loyalty, incentives, communication, but it's all at once. When you think about that and you actually build a platform with that in mind, it makes it a lot easier to understand the customer signals and overlay AI onto it. You're almost taking like a Honda and you're turning it into a Ferrari. And that has to be done by SaaS companies in order for us to get there. I think to sum it up, yeah, I mean, what's wrong with this space? it's stuck in old playbooks, old tech, and old thinking. I think that brands and platforms that actually turn that on its head will see the customer growth, but will also see the operational efficiency in their business.